Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix a problem with the camera flashlight. It's not working or it has been grayed out or disabled. So the first thing that you want to do is tap on the home key to go back to your home screen and then launch the camera app. Now the reason why the flashlight is being grayed out or disabled is because you are now in a wide angle lens. You are using wide angle lens, and with a wide angle lens it does not support the use of flash. So what you want to do is tap on a different zoom, so you can zoom in a little bit, and that will allow you to use the flashlight. Now as you can see, if I zoom in, the flashlight button becomes enabled, and here I can choose auto or I can turn it off. And as I zoom out, you can see the flashlight becomes disabled again. So by simply zooming in, the flashlight will become enabled for you to use. So that is auto, so now I will force it to use the flashlight. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.